Hello folks, welcome back in the next video. This is like an XAUG, and today we are going to make a look on this move of this week, how you could have traded this trade of this week, this exact week over Monday 3rd, this new month, February to Friday. As you well know, our analysis are mostly based on weekly periods. As you can see from this period, from this black line to this black line, it's a week period. So according to our analysis, as we make of VV, this is the move we could have traded. Yes, and it has already hit the TP. We are going to make a recap on it, on how you could have traded that movement. LXG concept. So as you well know, before coming into the week you're going to trade, what are you supposed to first look for? As you well know in those previous videos, those who have watched, that is what you're supposed to look for. It's a V analysis. It's a V type shape. You can see it. Low, high, dunking down, okay? You're supposed to look for that V before coming into the week you're going to trade. So meaning before approaching this black line, entering here, you're supposed to have a VV somewhere here, this side, okay? And if you can use your eyes to observe, do you see any V type here before approaching your week? Do you? Okay, let us try to use this line chart. Okay, the line chart can show it to us very well. Let me try to close up for you here before the week starting. You see, before the week starting, I already printed to us a VV shape. So I think it's fine even though we shift back to candle. So for those who know well from the previous videos, what you're supposed to do, supposed to label the what, the low and the high of the V to V. Okay, the low and the high of the V to V. Then what's next? Which time frame do we shift to? So if that is our low, this is our high, our TP are supposed to be here if you are supposed to sell, because this VV, it's a what? It's a sell VV. Low, high, shift downside, come back above, get the entries, we sell back below to the candle closure, not the week. Candle closure here, 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 not the week. You're supposed to target this candle closure. Even though someone might want to target these lows, most times they are not hit, but this one, it's a guarantee. Most times if you get this trading and it plays out to you in your analysis, it will hit this TP here on the candle closures. So we are shifting now down to the what? To M30 to refine what? Liquidity, or to get M30 shifts. So this is the low. This is the low we had of daily, and I'm not seeing any shift here. Videos explaining more about this, please you better go and watch them. So this is the shift, meaning it shifted from here, it shifted from here. Okay, so this is the shift I'm supposed to look for here, but I'm not seeing it. It's not here. So if it is not there, now we are supposed to look above on the high to see if you have any shift there. So as like the other one, now this one is supposed to be in an opposite direction. Yes, this is the shift we are going to focus on. Okay, us see if yes, we got it. It's here. We made towards this high gave us this low, and this low gave us this extreme high we have. We never made other higher highs. We have this high and it was resulted from this low, and I see from here candle closure. Not this week, no, this week never brought this shift. I'm counting this candle because it's below this what this week is low. We have that brought this impulse. Candle formation closed below this week. Okay, listen very well as to what I'm saying, people. You can observe there. Okay, let's go. So we are supposed to label that what? That low. Yeah, that low might be in an interest to us in our entry side. Yeah, so now we have got the liquidity here. You can refine to M5, but I will just use this low, that one of that candle, but let me shift downside for simplicity to you guys. Let me shift downside for simplicity. You see, guys? Yeah. Yes. So meaning these two lines, if the market approaches them in our week to trade, we're supposed to get into the market according to the way we are going to see. We're not supposed to execute right away. Most times you might execute right away when the market approaches these lines in the week you're going to trade and it favors you. But most times it might reach here, it shows you as if it is going, it first takes you out, then it shifts. I'm going to show you in was it GBP USD? No, GBP JPY. I'm going to show you in that pair. It did it there. It reached on the level, it tried to sell, but it shifted up, but rather later it sold down deep. So we are going to see the way we are supposed to take these entries when we reach on these levels we are focusing on in the week to trade. So now we are going into our week to trade. We are going into our week. We are supposed to trade where the black lines. And here, approaching these black lines, we are supposed to get M30 liquidity. We are supposed to get this shift as we have seen, and we refine M5 liquidity. We sell below. Okay. So where's the week? Where's the week starting from? Okay, the week started from there. We want to see any candle trying to approach the two black lines. Okay. This one never came closer, but it was so close. Not even a pip left. Yeah, we shall label this low. We shall label this low where that movement came from. So if this is our low we are going to focus on of M30, let us see if they have shifted below. Yeah, we shall focus on that one because when they reached the what? The line, reached the line. This movement reached the line. Actually, we are going to focus even on this one. This one is more better. This one is more better than the one. This one is more better. Why am I saying so? The market tried to approach here. It did for us this kind of thing here, if you can see. it reached the point. Now what I'm supposed to wait for is this. Let us see if we got it somewhere here. Okay, it is there. So now we are supposed to refine liquidity on this low of what? M5. We're supposed to refine liquidity on that low of M5. Okay, so if this is the low, I won't bother. I will use this one. It's the same. If you don't know liquidity, previous videos have some knowledge about that. Yes, you better go back in the previous videos and you get to know what is the liquidity we are talking about. So let us count the pips here. We shall use 20 maybe. Shall we use 20 for favorable stop losses? Yes, 20, because I believe in our tip is somehow below. Was it this below line? Yes, this one was our low. This one I'm going to remove it. Our TP, it is this black line. It is this red line which I'm going to make black. So that is our TP. So if you have 20 pips below of stop loss, let us see below how many pips are we having below. We are having how many? 121. That's a good risk to reward ratio, I think. 20 pips above, 100 below. Yeah, that's nice. So meaning that this will be our entry. This will be our entry. The stop loss will be here on 20 pips above. Our TP will be here below. Our stop loss will be above there. Yeah. Okay. So now I think we can shift back to M30, or we just watch it from here. Okay, even I'm seeing they're approaching it. They're approaching it. Wow. It was almost hit. The stop loss was almost hit. Wow, the stop loss was almost hit. Oh, they hit the what? The TP. Yes, the stop loss wasn't hit. Yep. It wasn't hit. They have hit the what? The TP below. Okay. That is the movement we had of this week in CAD JPY. The TP was already hit. The risk to reward is there. Nice, not bad. Yeah. Okay, let us look more deeper here. That was one of the entries I can see there. Now when we use this first one we had focused on, I think we can also get an entry there because we had a shift here. But I think let me leave that for you, the homework. That is your homework now. Let me first delete this one. Are you seeing this one? It never shifted from here. These are just wicks. This blue candle broke this low. This is a shift. Now when you see this blue candle breaking this low, this impulse, remember what I've said. You're supposed to get M30 what shift when you have approached these black lines. So this is an M30 low that built this push above. Okay, this is a second one that you could use to get the entry. So here you see the shift. So not here, these are wicks, just they never broke below. Candle closure, candle formation, it broke below this low. Below. Okay. Once you see this candle closing below this low, you refine to what? M5. On this low, when you find M5 of this low, you get your entries on that liquidity, and of M5 you get your stop loss somewhere above or 20 pips. You can use 20 pips. Most times I normally use 10, but you can actually, according to you, you can use 20, 10, 30, 40, 50 according to your risking. Then still you shift back below to this low. Yes, you can see the low here, the number. You can use it on your back testing. This M5 liquidity I've left for you the homework. Yes, the week is 3rd of February. This movement you have just had, as you can see, even the market is still moving. The market is still moving. So this is the low you're going to focus on. That's supposed to be your TP, that black line. It is 106.485. That's supposed to be your TP. So now you're going to refine for me. You will comment. You're going to refine for me your M5 what liquidity you've got here, your entry to the TP below. So you make some replies, as we shall be sharing other videos or insights. Okay, close up as like an XA UG LXG concept.